If you have a YouTube channel and now if you want to delete the YouTube channel, then I will show in this video how can you delete your YouTube channel. So this is a very easy process. You have to only follow my steps. So for deleting your YouTube channel, you have to go and open your email. You can see here I have come here on my email. After come here in your email, you have to simply click here profile, your email profile. After clicking here your email profile, you have to make sure through which email you have create your YouTube channel. If you have other email address, so I have created my YouTube channel through this email, so I have to click here manage account. After that, clicking Google account, you can see here option called data and privacy. You have to simply click here data and privacy. After that, you have to scroll down to bottom. You have to simply click here delete a Google service. As YouTube is a service of Google, then after clicking here delete Google service, you will can see here this kind of interface. Here you have to verify it's you, then you have to simply use your phone lock, as I am using my phone pattern. After using your phone pattern, you will arrive this kind of page. You have to simply click here delete YouTube, as you want to delete your YouTube. After clicking here delete option, you have to again make sure that's actually you to giving your phone password. After that, you will can see here there have two kind of option. If you want to hide, then you have to click here first, but as I told you I want to delete permanently, then you have to simply click here permanently delete, then you have to simply click and then you will can see here delete my content, and there you have to write your email address. You can see here I am writing here simply my email address from which email I have created my YouTube. Then after writing here email address, you have to simply click here delete. After clicking here delete, your YouTube channel will be deleted. So this is today's video. If you have any question related to the video, you can ask me in my comment box. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end.